Hey guys, Crypto Mike here with the mic check. 1 2 1 2. Is this thing on? Please hit the thumbs ups, the subscribe, and the notification bell if you enjoy my live streams and new videos. Also, just be good people in general. Try to be cool, but being a good person is even better. All right, now let's see. We have the Great Reset. All right, Kingdom Prepare at Kingdom Prepare 1 has done a big series of threads on this whole reset. Okay, especially after the World Economic Forum has put out a little video, and they've done a series of videos on the Great Reset, and they've started a campaign on the Great Reset. All right, I'm stoked. I don't know if you guys can feel it in the air. I feel something. It's kind of an uneasy feeling, kind of just a waiting. We know what's coming. It's right around the corner, guys. It's a waiting, a hoping, a nervousness, an anxiousness. We're hoping it's gonna be okay. We're hoping. Most of us think we're gonna get rich. I know I'm gonna get rich, you guys. We already know. We know the wealth is coming. I think once we start to experience that and it becomes a normal thing, guys, we need to really start to question what we're gonna do. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, guys? What are you gonna do? Because you're not just gonna get wealthy and then you can just go about doing things that normal wealthy people do. All right. Everything's changing. Everything's changing. So there are going to be remnants of normal things, but everything's going to be different. It's going to be a system. It's going to be a lockdown. They put us on lockdown, and we're only going to actually escape from that lockdown probably maybe about 60%, but a big chunk of our lives are really still going to be on lockdown, and they're trying to get us used to that. They're doing a lot of things right now, a lot of things. All right, and a lot of the things I'm wondering, I keep thinking, like, I wonder if that was designed to do this. I wonder if they're trying. It's all about human psychology, taking the blame off of the bankers. I believe that's a huge part of this virus thing, the lockdown. I know the virus is real, guys. I know it's dangerous. I know that. I know that it seems like there's a second wave coming. We might have another lockdown soon. And if that happens, the measures we're going to take are going to be even stronger than last time. We know what to expect. We know there's going to be a shortage of toilet paper. Okay, we know there's going to be a supply chain, disruption. Anyways, we know there's going to be a stock market crash, maybe, if another lockdown happens. We'll see. But anyways, what's going to happen is we are going to get locked down, and that's when they're going to start rolling out automation, 5G, Internet of Things, blockchain, and that's going to all help with all the problems we're having. They've been just really kind of accumulating. We've been accumulating a lot of problems over the last few decades, and we're all just in one big pot, and then it's just boiling over, and there's just nothing we can do. We can't turn the heat down. That's impossible. We're going to have to boil over and start fresh. That's what's happening. The reset. What is the Great Reset? So, by the way, go follow Kingdom Prepare. This is going to be a good series of videos that you're going to enjoy. All right? Because we're going to dive into the website, the World Economic Forum, and then we're going to kind of like put pieces together from back in the day when we were going over Bearable Guy stuff and all sorts of other stuff, trying to figure out when's it happening, what currencies should we be holding. That's it. When's it going to happen, and what currencies should we be holding to change our lives? All right. So in short, I don't know when it's going to happen. I don't know if there's going to be a day. I don't know if it's going to be gradual. It's starting to happen right now. It's already started. Yes. I have an uneasy kind of weird feeling I know other people, I've talked to people, people can feel it too. Um, it's coming. Something big is happening. Uncharted territory we're going into, humanity. So now the currencies I'm a little more sure of now. I'm a little more sure of what currencies we should be holding. Um, I'm pretty damn sure that Stellar is going to be used as a they're going to try to make it a one world currency. They're going to try to use it as a widespread currency. I'm pretty damn sure, and we're going to go through clues here. I'm like 100, almost 100% sure that XRP is going to be used, but it's not going to be like for the people. It's not going to be. It's going to be in the back end, and really, the people really don't even need to know about it. They don't. It's really going to be. It's going to be a new big thing for enterprises and corporations. They're going to be excited about it. Yeah, it's going to be this huge thing. But average people like you and me, or maybe not you and me, but average people are not going to care about XRP. But I do think average people will care about Stellar. And that's why I think Stellar's going to grow and grow and grow. I think it's going to be a slow grower, maybe. Because there will be rumblings about it being used as the next currency. There'll be rumblings. Now, however, same thing as XRP. So when people start looking at that way, it's going to slowly grow. And then I think that's when, it'll slowly grow. And then they'll do a big shakeout. And then they'll flip the switch. So anyways, my two top contenders are Stellar, XRP. And then you got Hedera Hashgraph. Okay. It's got it's just huge, it's scalable, it's humongous. It can do everything, but it's going to take a couple of years. I think they do have really good partners. The timestamping is big for them. They need the timestamping feature of Hashgraph for this quantum system. So it could play a factor in this, but I don't know how soon it'll play a factor. Then you also got like VeChain, and you got Cardano. There's also Cosmos. I also just want to mention that one, okay? Cosmos. All right, so this is the little introduction video. Check it out. Now take note of that little screen where he pressed the reset button. We'll go to that in a minute. Okay, so that's the introduction video on the World Economic Forum's website. Go to Kingdom Prepare. He put it up on his channel. Go to Kingdom Prepare, his YouTube channel, and subscribe to him. All right, so he shows us a little more in detail that reset screen, that little scene. Now, on my live stream the other day, I noticed this as well, and I paused it and we went over this. We saw the reset, and actually someone in my live stream said, "Hey, Mike, pause it on the reset button." And I did. And so what you can see here is a regular keyboard, but two of the buttons have a white color font, and all the other ones are off-white, like they've been used, you know, for over a few years. The only two that aren't white have been superimposed. They've been photoshopped, and it's this 0 with a strike in it, which to me, I'd say that would be Saturn, the stellar logo, or the Cosmos logo, the 0 with the strike in it. And then over here you have the reset button. Reset. Ding. Now you have a star right next to it, which is the definition of stellar is of stars or having to do with stars. Now also though, the Cosmos logo is an atom with protons and neutrons buzzing around it. So it could be either one, but they're clearly, guys, they're clearly trying to tell us right here what it is, what the reset's going to be. What they're symbolizing it. They're putting it in our freaking faces. And I can't believe they're doing this, but they're doing it. And that, to me, that tells me it's going to be soon. Because you guys, we've waited for years. We've been looking for clues like this for years. This is my dream come true. You guys, we've been doing this for a long time. Digging, wondering, where are we going to find the clues that are going to show us? Because we've been looking at research and logic and rationalized thought, and we've been doing all the research, putting all the clues together, putting everything together to logically tell us what we should invest in. But we know that the elite also hide it in plain sight. And they have. It's right here. Now, on the keyboard, you'll notice a Saturn logo is depicted in the 1988 Economist magazine cover. Right there. The Phoenix. Now, another thing though, I want to show you. He says that's the Phoenix logo. The star is lumens. P for Phoenix. I don't know. That might be a little too much. Now I like how he kind of explains this one. There's a chain. Now I like this. No one's ever explained it like this before. A bit, 1 and 0. That makes so much sense. Well, 1 and 0, those are the two components of a bit. Those are bits of information. That's what this whole world is made up of, guys. Just bits of information. That's it. And then when you throw in your consciousness, and this body is made of 1s and 0s. But then what's that extra thing in there? The consciousness, okay? It doesn't come from this realm. It's much bigger than that. Anyways, then we have the coin, So I was thinking that makes a lot of sense. The 10 on top of a coin, Bitcoin. They predicted the Bitcoin a long time ago. Now the Phoenix, though, was going to come years after the Bitcoin. Okay, I still think the Phoenix itself is many different coins, but I think the XRP is going to be the big juggernaut. Do I think it's going to happen tomorrow? I don't think so, no. I think they're going to make other changes first, and then XRP will come down the line. Maybe this year, but I doubt it. It could happen this year. Hopefully. I hope so. Now, he says this one world currency will be cashless. No more fiat paper money. And based on blockchain tech. If so, the two leading contenders for blockchain one world money are Ripple XRP and Stellar XLM. For more info, refer to post 69. Now, he's got a ton of these. I'm going to do more videos on these. And let me go to 83. Okay. Now, this is the part 2. Okay. Look for the post 82. Remember this. The ruling elites have to tell us what they're about to do. Here you go. Now this is on the front page of the Great Reset. Now is the time for a Great Reset. This was in the beginning of June. Now, in the live stream the other day, I noticed there was a Phillips and a flathead and a Phillips, or a flathead and a Phillips. Now, I didn't know what it meant back then. Kingdom Prepare thinks that it means, he thinks, and I'm not sure, but it could. He thinks it means the stellar logo and the X for XRP. That would be amazing. But another thought I had that I don't like, but it also reiterates, it also makes the theory that it could be cosmos a little stronger, is that the protons and neutrons around the atom, right? So, because I don't have any atom, but I'm thinking I better get some just in case. Who knows? What if it was the internet of blockchains, cosmos? You know, what if that was part of it? You know, so I think it's going to be a bag of currencies, partially like, partially fractionally backed by gold or something like that. So that's what XRP Ventures says, and so. He says, do you see how they've hidden their answers in plain sight? Welcome to the Matrix. Enable payments for everyone, every way, and everywhere. With 2017 now well underway, we remain hard at work, focused on adding exciting new features to the RCL, and further improving the performance, stability, and quality of the rippled open source codebase. Most importantly, we remain more committed than ever to the simple goal of making XRP the world's reserve digital currency. That was a little old school, but still. So, all that's needed is a major reserve currency that is not issued by a national authority. The Triffin dilemma. All right, gold was once supposed to fill this role, but it couldn't meet demand for global liquidity and a store value. It's so easy, it's so easy. There's no doubt, you guys, that XRP is going to have to do it. It's going to be easily, it's 100 billion for a reason, But I love this. Freaking awesome. I also noticed this rept. People were telling me it's repeat. Well, when I first noticed it and I was talking about it in my live stream, I thought they could have been saying something else, like, I won't say it, but you guys might be able to guess. Anyways, I'll be doing more videos on this, and I'll be doing a little more in-depth, focused videos. We're going to have a lot of fun with this because it's coming. It's coming, guys. It's coming real soon. He's got a ton of these, and then I'm also going to just do my own. But we're looking for clues, and they're starting to give us clues. I mean, that tells me it's just around the corner, guys. All right. So, one thing I just want you to know is that just keep praying to God and keep Him with you, okay? These times are indeed biblical. Trying, confusing, scary, anguishing, anxiety-inducing times. So just remember, fear does not exist where God lives, okay? And if He lives in your heart, there's no way you could be fearful about anything, all right? Because everything we're searching for right here, right now, it's already ours. Just remember that. Remember, it's already yours. Everything we're looking for, everything we're trying to figure out, it's already there. God has the answers, okay? All right, guys, I love you. Be good people, huddle strong, and I'll see you in the next one. Crypto Mike out. Peace.